Hey champs! Kindly use headphone and watch this tutorial in full screen mode. This is Robonix STEM Resource Center for students and we present Wall-E Robot Formation Quick Circuit Assembly Guide. Let's go champs and build Wall-E Robot with quick assembly guide visuals. First of all we will install right side G motor on M3 port of Wall-E brain module. Please identify M3 port of your Wall-E brain module as it has pinted and has focused by lens here, similar fashion. Champs, you need to identify M2 port and install your G motor here on left side of Wall-E brain module. Champs, congratulations! You have installed both G motors successfully. Next, you need to install SG90 servo motor. Let's go. Please identify SER1 servo port. Champs, just installed the SG90 servo cable jack here on SER1 port. Please keep the yellow wire of servo port towards your right hand side. Champs, now it is time to perform connections of I section of Wall-E robot. I sensor calls SR04 sensor module. Let go champs. This sensor module is with 4 pins. Let's understand. The first pin is VCC pin here. Blue 5 volt power is to be connected to make sensor operational. The second pin is trigger. The third pin calls echo. And fourth pin is GND pin of this sensor module. Champs, let's start connecting these pins one by one with Wall-E robot brain. First VCC pin will go to plus 5 volt pin of Wall-E brain module. Please identify plus 5 volt pin near M3 jack. Please perform the VCC connection of your project now. Next step, you need to connect GND pin of SR04 module with GND pin of Wall-E brain module. It is just printed next to plus 5 volt pin on Wall-E module. Further, we are going to connect trig pin of SR04 module with A0 pin of Wall-E brain module. Please watch this step very carefully. Here A0 stand for analog 0 pin. In the final cable connection, now we are going to connect echo pin of SR04 module to A1 pin as it is marked on Wall-E brain module next to A0 pin. Congratulations champs! Champs, in the final step you need to understand the 9V battery installation process. It is very easy. On Wall-E brain module, the battery port is marked with 2 signs, that one is plus M and other sign GND is also printed on it. Champs, please identify both the marks on battery port of your Wall-E brain module. Further, in the battery installation process, you need on-off switch and one 9V battery connector. Now you need to connect pin 1 on-off switch to plus M point of battery port of Wall-E brain module. Please watch this step carefully. Champs, now pin 2 of SWAT should connect to positive terminal of 9 volt battery connector as it is done here. Now in the final process, The GND point of battery port should connect to the negative terminal of 9-volt battery connector. This wire is marked a black wire. Champs. Watch this step carefully and perform it with your Wall-E project now. Well done, champs. Finally, robot is ready. You need to install a 9-volt battery on the battery connector. Champs. Please switch on the project and see your robot in action. Champs. This is just a review of Wall-E robot connections you guys have performed with your Wall-E Fun box. Please compile all module connections. Hope champs you have enjoyed the Wall-E robot formation guide. Good luck and take care, champs. Subscribe this channel and support our mission. For more upcoming robotics and STEM projects, kindly stay tuned with Robonix YouTube channel. Bye, champs.